support and resistance trading. Just want to make a quick video for you today, kind of recapping today slash a wonderful little tip that would be really important for new traders. All right, so today was April 16th, 2019. The market, when it opened up this morning, I'll pull up the SPY over here. So the market was very choppy this morning, okay, for the first 20 minutes before it finally picked a direction, which was a little bit more obviously of a sell-off this morning, but not really much, about a dollar sell-off. So this morning I was watching the open, and the important thing for today was I took no trades, and that's okay. Yes, I spent some time kind of charting, getting stuff together, watching the overall market, wasted a lot of time, but I sat on my hands and I didn't trade because I didn't like any of the setups that I was watching. Okay, I was watching obviously the big names over here. Let's look, for example, look at Lyft. How do you possibly trade a chart like that? Yeah, I kind of made this weird double top up here, but it's just zigzagging up and down, above, below, all the EMAs and the VWAP. Didn't even touch it, okay? Disney, yeah, Disney did sell off. Obviously, looking at hindsight, it did sell off. But this morning, it bounced up, and then over here, it was about to cross, and it got denied. I didn't touch Disney. I was kind of watching this with the bigger ones. Nvidia, broke down, found support, and then it ran up, and it kind of put in this double top, and I was waiting. I was like, all right, it's going to put in a double top here, and I'm thinking we're going to collapse. And I was waiting. I was like, all right, we're going to really collapse. We just never really collapsed, okay? Like, if you could have shorted this double top up in here, let's look at the time frame. 10:30, 10:20 to 10:40. Really, actually, more like 10:36. Something in there. Let's look at 10:36 on the SPY. What's the SPY doing at 10:36 this morning? Okay, it's right in here. This like horizontal junk. Okay, so when you're looking to get in a trade, you really want to see the SPY and the overall market kind of going with what you're trying to do. You don't want to be going against the market. So like we're moving horizontally. This isn't movement. This is like trying to find trend. Yes, we are below and we were selling off initially, but it's no real like clear sell-off or clear uptrend. Nothing that I'm going to want to trade. I'm not trying to go against the market. Let's look at something else I was watching. I was watching BABA. I don't have it up here because BABA was selling off this morning, and I was waiting for BABA to find a bottom and bounce. Well, BABA's selling off and trying to put in a double bottom here. Okay, right over here on the left. Trying to put in this double bottom, and it just can't break up. Well, why can't it break up? Now again, we're in the opposite way of the trend. 1013, roughly near before. I'm trying to go long when the market's kind of coming down / consolidating. All right, let's look at Apple. Apple ran up this morning, probably the only real kind of player today. But there was no real reason why it stopped at 201.37 when you actually look at the overall chart. Like, what is really in here? I have all these lines because they're dailies, but like, there's nothing really in here. Yeah, you can kind of see the top of these candles, and not really. Like, it didn't really get all the way above to the 203. It just hit a resistance. Like, it wasn't like it hit a resistance and you would clearly know, oh, that's exactly why I'm going to short right there on Apple. Like, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know this is the top and it wasn't going to continue to run up. Yes, it was going against the market at this point, which was collapsing. So maybe a reason for you to short. Sure. All right, I could kind of agree with that, but you really didn't get that much of a move. You could have re-entered and caught the whole thing. All right, but I sat on my hands. Every trade I was really confident in or looking at was BABA the double bottom. Okay, and I guess I could put in a later one. Now it's kind of going up, but overall, I was trying to trade stuff that was just kind of not going with the market and how the market was trying to go for the day. Tesla. Actually looking at a double top, I thought, on Tesla, right? The market's going down. Tesla's kind of putting in this double top, and it just didn't collapse. Market's kind of going down. This was like that 10:30 time. Market's going down. Tesla's going up. I don't want to be trading against the market, guys. Okay? So this is my little tip for new traders. It's okay to sit on your hands. It's okay to not take a trade when you wasted and used time. It's not wasted time. Like, I didn't waste time. I was looking at charts and I was testing my stuff, and clearly I think I made the right decision. These shorts, right, shorting this double top really wouldn't have led me much money. The bounce on BABA, right, wouldn't have led me much money. Clearly I would have bought the break up here, and what do? We just kind of collapsed all the way down. All right, the Apple one I didn't see till later. It's kind of more of a hindsight trade. The Nvidia I didn't really even touch, and yes, I'm looking at lift and everything else. I mean, like I said before, lift, you really can't be trading this. This is just, look at this. It's bouncing between two levels here. Nothing really great. All right, so again, it's completely okay to not be trading. It's okay. You don't have to trade every day. You want to trade those quality setups when they happen, right? Like Nvidia did yesterday, that quality setup of the VWAP hit. Like, this is what you want to trade. Boom, from 190 all the way down to 183. That's a move, okay? That's a move. That's what you want to be trading, guys. So, all right, that's my little tip for the day. Kind of a little recap of the no trade day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.